Salam everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing 5 of my very special recipes with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. So for the curry, we will be making mutton kunna. For the first step, take 200 grams of mutton trotters and boil them with a teaspoon of garlic paste and then strain the water. Take another pot and add in the boiled trotters. Also add in some required amount of hot water. Add in a teaspoonful of garlic paste and we'll let it cook जब तक ये half done हो जाए. In the end, हम इसका about 1 liter of soup save कर लेंगे because we'll need that later. Take a pot that's suitable to you and then add in half cup of ghee or oil. Next you'll add in a medium sized onion. Before the onion changes its color, add in 500 grams of mutton. When the meat changes its color, add in about 1.5 tablespoons full of ginger garlic paste. Make sure that the paste is fresh. Add in some salt to taste and mix well. Add in some red chili powder, coriander powder and turmeric powder, then mix them well. Now add in the ingredients जो स्क्रीन पे आ रहे हैं. Now we'll add in the half cooked trotters और इसका सूप हमने सेव किया हुआ है. At this point we'll add in a liter of the saved soup. After cooking it on medium flame for about 1.5 hours, the meat was completely tender. जो 3 ingredients मैंने यहाँ पे mention किए हैं, we have to grind them so that they look like this and then we'll add them. Now add in a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next goes in 4 to 5 whole red chilies and a teaspoon of black cumin. Now just cover it for 5 minutes. यहाँ पे मैंने एक स्लरी प्रिपेयर किया है जिसके अंदर मैंने 3 tablespoons ऐड किए whole wheat flour के and then I added in a little bit of water and then we'll mix it so that it becomes a smooth paste and then we'll add it. Cover on low flame for about 15 minutes and it's all done. For the rice, we'll be making Chinese rice. So we'll start off by taking half cup of oil in a pot. When the oil gets heated, add in 500 grams of boneless chicken cubes. Also add in a teaspoonful of ginger garlic paste. Now add in some salt to taste. आप इसे बाद में भी adjust कर सकते हैं. Now add in the black pepper according to your taste. Keep on frying and add in a tablespoon of soy sauce. Here goes in a cup of peas. थोड़ी देर के लिए हम कवर कर देंगे so that the peas get softened. Here goes in a cup of carrots. Now add in a cup of capsicum. You can also include or exclude the vegetables as per your choice. टू 50 ग्राम स्प्रिंग अनियंस के ग्रीन पार्ट्स को ऐड करना है हमने. यहाँ पे मैंने 650 ग्राम्स राइस दिया है जिसको मैंने 30 मिनट्स पहले सोक किया हुआ था. सो दिस इज़ द मेन पार्ट ऑफ द रेसिपी जिसके अंदर हमें राइस को ऐड करने के बाद इसे इसी तरह से फ्राई करना है. विल नॉट ऐड इन द वाटर, वो हम बाद में करेंगे, बट अबाउट 10 to 15 मिनट्स हमें इसको इसी तरह से फ्राई करना है. After frying for about 10 to 15 minutes, we'll add in a liter of water. Next, add in a tablespoon of vinegar and a teaspoon of chicken powder. At this point, अगर आपको salt को adjust करना हो तो आप कर सकते हैं. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cinnamon powder. हम इसको दम पे लगा देंगे for about 5 to 10 minutes on low heat. Moving on towards our next recipe, that is chow mein. So for the first step, take 400 grams of chicken and you have to cut it in julienne style. उसके बाद जो भी ingredients screen पे आ रहे हैं उन सबको ऐड करके you have to mix it और हम marinate करेंगे for about 1 hour. Till the time chicken gets marinated, we'll prepare the veggies. Here I took a medium carrot and we have to cut it in julienne style as well. You can also add in some other vegetables of your choice. For preparing the red sauce, मैंने यहाँ पे थोड़ी garlic sauce के अंदर vinegar, soy sauce, chili flakes और black pepper ऐड किया है and then we'll mix it. When the chicken gets marinated, take 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan and then add in 1/4 cup of chopped onions, saute it for a while, but before it changes the color, add in 2 tablespoons full of ginger garlic paste. Now add in a cup of diced tomatoes. थोड़ी देर के लिए हम कवर कर देंगे ताकि tomatoes soft हो जाएं. At this point, we'll add in the marinated chicken as well. We'll cook it on medium flame. थोड़ी देर के लिए हम cover भी कर देंगे so that the chicken gets tendered. Now you can add in your favorite vegetables, but make sure कि आप spring onions ना add करें. You have to add it in the end. यहाँ पे मैंने 300 grams spoiled spaghetti इसमें add किए and then we'll add in the red sauce that we prepared. You have to mix it well. At last, we'll add in the spring onions and the chow mein is ready. You definitely can't miss hot and sour soup in your winter menu. So take a tablespoon of oil in a pot and then add in 250 grams of boneless chicken. When the chicken changes its color, add in half liter of chicken stock or yakhni. Also add in half liter of water. Add in a chopped or sliced green chili. Can't miss add the salt and pepper to taste. Salt and pepper add करने के बाद हम vinegar, soy sauce, chili sauce और ketchup add करेंगे. Now cover it for 10 minutes. After uncovering, add in half cup of chopped carrot and cabbage. Cover it again for 5 to 10 minutes. Four से 5 tablespoons cornflour को मैंने थोड़े से पानी के अंदर मिक्स करके इसे सूप में ऐड कर दिया है because we need to give it a soupy consistency. Add in 2 tablespoons of green parts of the green onions. एक एक बीट करके हम इसके अंदर ऐड करेंगे. हमें इसे स्लोली ऐड करना है और बहुत ज़्यादा मिक्स नहीं करना. After adding the egg, turn off the flame and we are all done. So for the sweet dish, we'll be making no-bake fruit jelly tart. Take 110 grams of crushed biscuits and then add in 20 grams of powdered sugar, mix it and then add in 65 grams of melted butter or DESI ghee. Slightly grease the serving tray और जो हमने biscuits prepare किए हैं उन्हें हम इसकी bottom layer के ऊपर spread कर देंगे. The base layer should be even from all the sides, तो मैंने glass का use किया है इसे properly even करने के लिए. You can also use a glass or a cup instead if you want to. जब सारी sides equal हो जाएं, so we'll refrigerate it for about half an hour. For the next layer, take 40 grams of white chocolate and melt it. Take another bowl and add in an egg yolk. Next, add in 35 grams of honey and mix it well. Add in 70 grams of milk and mix again. Also add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. We'll shift the liquid to a pan और इसे हमें सिर्फ एक बॉयल आने तक कुक करना। जो प्रिपेयर्ड लिक्विड है इसे हम मेल्टेड वाइट चॉकलेट के अंदर मिक्स कर लेंगे। Mix 5 grams of gelatin in half cup of water and add it to the liquid. Take 120 grams of heavy cream और ये 60% whip है, इसे हम अपने मिक्सचर में ऐड कर देंगे and then we'll mix it again. The biscuits layer is completely chilled और उसके बाद जो हमने ये मूस प्रिपेयर किया है इसे हम इसके ऊपर स्प्रेड कर देंगे। इसकी लेयर भी बिल्कुल इवन होनी चाहिए and then we'll again refrigerate it. After refrigerating it for about 30 minutes, this is how it looks like. Next year हम ऐड करेंगे इसमें अपने फेवरेट फ्रूट्स की। जब हम सारे फ्रूट्स इसके अंदर एडजस्ट कर दें तो उसके बाद हम इसको दोबारा से रेफ्रिजरेट कर देंगे और तब तक हम अपनी जेली प्रिपेयर करेंगे। For preparing the jelly, first we'll need 250 grams of water and then we'll add in 35 grams of sugar and 75 grams of honey in it. We'll mix it और इसको हम तब तक कुक करेंगे जब तक इसे एक बॉयल नहीं आ जाता। We'll shift it to a bowl और पहले से ही मैंने 125 grams वाटर के अंदर 25 grams पाउडर्ड जेलेटिन ऐड करके उसे सोक करके रख दिया था। अब इसके अंदर हम इसे ऐड कर देंगे और हम बहुत अच्छे से इसे मिक्स करेंगे। When the jelly mixture comes on room temperature, we'll spread a very nice layer of it on the fruits. Refrigerate it for about 3 to 4 hours and we're all done. That's it for today. अगर आपकी रेसिपीज अच्छी लगी हैं so please do smash that like button and do hit that subscribe button as well. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.